In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp Search so you can quickly find anything you need without digging through folders or scrolling forever. Let's start with where search lives inside ClickUp. At the very top of your workspace, you'll see a toolbar that runs across the screen. Right in the center of that top toolbar is what's called the command bar. This is the main place where you'll type in what you're looking for. Think of it as your universal search box inside ClickUp. Anytime you want to look for a task, a doc, a view, or even a specific word or phrase, this is where you'll go. Now, instead of moving your mouse up to the command bar every single time, there's a much faster way to open it. Today, I'll show you how to use the keyboard shortcuts that make search feel almost instant. From anywhere in the app, you can open the command bar by pressing the S key on your keyboard. Just that one key is enough to trigger search. If you're on a Mac, you can also press Command plus K as an alternative shortcut. Both options do the same thing. They bring the command bar into focus so you can start typing right away. Once the command bar is active, you're ready to type your query. I'm going to walk you through how to think about what to type so ClickUp can give you the most helpful results. You can start simple. Type a keyword that appears in the name of a task or doc you're trying to find, like marketing or bug or invoice. If you remember part of a longer title, just type the part you remember. ClickUp will start matching items as you type, so you don't need to spell out the entire phrase. If you know the exact name of what you're looking for, type that in as precisely as you can. This helps the search focus on the most relevant results. You can also search for phrases that might appear in a description or a comment, not just titles. For example, if you're trying to find a task where someone mentioned client feedback, typing that phrase can help you track it down, even if you don't remember the task name. While you're typing, take a moment to look at how the results are appearing. You'll usually see tasks and docs listed, often with a bit of context like their location in your workspace. If you see what you need, you can use your mouse to click it. But to stay fast and efficient, you can also use the arrow keys to move up and down through the list and then press enter on the item you want to open. This keeps your hands on the keyboard and speeds up your workflow, especially if you're searching many times a day. I'll show you the easiest way to make this a habit. Whenever you catch yourself thinking, "Where did I put that?" immediately press S or Command plus K and start typing a short, clear keyword. The more you rely on the command bar, the less you'll need to manually browse through spaces, folders, and lists. Finally, once you've typed your query and scanned the results, simply select the item you want. ClickUp will take you straight there, whether it's a task, a doc, or another piece of content. That's all there is to it. By using the command bar in the center of your top toolbar, the S or Command plus K shortcut, and a clear search phrase, you can move around ClickUp quickly and stay focused on the work that matters.